your skills and your talents are going to shock them. There may have been a very domineering and combative energy that you were around in the past, or maybe the present. This could be an ex-boss for some of you. This could be a father figure. You know, this could be someone that just didn't want the best for you. You know, this individual was very competitive with you. For some of you, this individual may have saw your power, you know, and because they could not access the power from within themselves, they fixated upon you and they plotted and planned for your downfall. You know, this individual was very fearful of you expanding, maybe in a company, maybe in a relationship. They just didn't want you to be above them. They saw, you know, you as competition, and it may have come to some sort of shock to you, because maybe you looked up to this person as if they were a mentor to you, a leader. For some of you, unfortunately, a partner, you know. But this person may have done a lot of things behind the scenes in the past to make sure that you didn't get into a certain position. You know, they may have tried to, I'm hearing the word blacklist some of you, block opportunities from you so that you are not seen. Now, the reason why this person did not want you to be seen is because they knew that if the right people see you, then they could help you in your career. And this individual's fear is that you are going to make a lot of money off your talents and skills. For some of you, this individual was very fearful, or could still be very fearful, that you are going to meet your energetic match, build an empire with this individual. For some of you, this is someone at work as well, right? Like, they did not want you to, I don't know if this person is a seer or a feeler, whatever the case is, but they could see your destiny. They could sense that you are destined for greatness. And I feel like it's the way that you move. And when I say the way you move, I feel like you're a boss out here, even if you're not in a leadership position, right? There's something boss-like about you. Like, your energy radiates authority. Your energy radiates power. Your energy radiates leadership. Now, these things cannot be bought or taught, and this person knows it. And this person equates your qualities to success financially. And I feel like you trigger this person's insecurities, because maybe once upon a time they were trying to go after the same thing that you're doing right now. Or they're looking at their life and they're thinking, when I was that person's age, I didn't even have all those ideas and goals that they have. And look how they're going after their goals unapologetically. It's something of that sort. But this person was destined to try to destroy you. You know, they may have cozied up to you, or pretended to mentor you, or pretended to lead you or guide you, but it was just so they could learn you, so that they can sabotage you in some way. It's almost as if this person doesn't want you to break a generational curse. You succeeding to this individual is, in their view, a disrespect to them. Because, again, there's something about them not achieving a goal that they set out for themselves. And in their view, it's your fault. This person is fearful of your work ethic. This person is the type of person that holds on to things, people, and places that do not serve them, that have actually sabotaged them. And this individual is closed off at the heart. This person, whether they want to admit it or not, they respect your hustle. You know, they see you as someone that's a trendsetter. They see you as someone that is a pioneer in whatever field that you belong to. I'm hearing the word, they wish it could be them. Why can't that be me, is what they think. You know, this person, I feel, wishes that they had your energy, your personality, your zest for life, your, you know, charisma, the way you are so exciting. Because in comparison to this individual, you know, this person feels like they're boring in comparison to you. And, you know, this is how they feel. This person does see you as a leader, and they fear that it's only a matter of time that other people will see it too. And that's why they try to stop and block you in the past, or they're trying to do it now. And I feel as if for some of you, you're still around this individual, unfortunately. But for others of you, you've worked this person out. And this person is trying to reopen a cycle with you, to try and manipulate things behind the scenes to stop and block you, because what they want for you is for you to be out in the cold on your own, with no one supporting you, with no one wanting to collaborate with you, with no one wanting to befriend you or date you. This is what they want, because they feel alone inside. So they're projecting how they feel onto you. Unbeknownst to them, they're going to get a big shock, because everything that you've been manifesting behind the scenes is going to come into fruition. And Spirit, God, universe, or whoever you believe in is going to make it be known that this individual or other individuals like this person is going to witness it. Because you have been gifted a talent that other people in your family lineage have. But the talent that you have has been bestowed onto you to break a generational curse. Because I feel like your ancestors, some people in your family lineage, specifically like a father figure, a grandfather, this talent comes from the male side of the family, I feel, right? And they did not utilize their skills and their talents the way you are supposed to in this life. So you've got the backing of your ancestors, the ones that could not accomplish the goal that you are going to accomplish. You are going to be the first millionaire in your family, or billionaire. You're going to be the first person in your family that's going to run your own successful business. And it's not just going to be for you, it's going to help others too. Okay? Even if you've got millionaires in your family already, for some of you, you're going to be a different type of millionaire. You're going to be that millionaire that helps other family members. You're going to be that millionaire that, you know, actually gives to charities. You're going to be that millionaire that actually goes into, you know, underprivileged areas, countries, and builds hospitals, builds houses, gives computers, builds schools, you know, gives the underprivileged children pencil cases, rucksacks, a better sense of learning, right? A better way of living. You're going to do things a little bit different. And you may not know it now or see it now, but you're going to be in a position where you can. And this person, whoever this person is, they know that you are a big deal, but they don't know that your destiny is great. And it's not just to be seen and be adored, it's to help others. So the fact that they're trying to stop and block you is upsetting your ancestors, because you have been assigned a role that you will fulfill. And this person trying to get in the way of that goal or role that you're supposed to be in is only going to accumulate karma for themselves. Because whatever you are good at, it's much bigger than you. Yeah, you're supposed to be a leader in this life. You're supposed to be financially abundant. It's taken you a long time, and it could take you some time to get to your actual goal, but you're going to get there. You're going to get there. So if this person continue to try and stop and block and plot and plan, it's going to be pointless. Yeah, they may have delayed you. This could be a friend from the past. This could be a family member for some of you. This could be a past lover for some of you.